Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm finally back with another recipe. It's been a while since I made a proper meal myself. This rosé pasta is super simple and great for clearing your fridge. Feel free to use any sort of pasta and any sort of protein for this recipe. Before we get into it, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You can watch my videos with English and Chinese subtitles, just tap them on the screen. And if you want more bilingual recipes, follow me on Instagram at chefflora6 or check out the link in the description box below. The ingredients required is just a very short list, and you can feel free to switch things around as long as you keep the sauce untouched. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by cleaning and prepping the shrimps. Pat them dry and do a butterfly cut. If it needs deveining, take them out as well. Then you can lightly season them with salt and pepper and set aside. Next, grab your onion and dice it up. You can always slice them if it's easier. I just like it diced. Next up, cut a few cloves of garlic. Slice them nice and thin to get all the flavors out. I'm using pasta cream here, but honestly, other types of cream will work as well. Now grab your pasta and we're all set to start cooking. Boil some water and generously salt it. Put your pasta in and let it cook for 2 minutes short of the instructions, since we'll be cooking it in the sauce for a little bit. Next, add some oil to the pan to saute garlic and onion. Add them in and let it cook till it's slightly translucent. Then make room in the pan to add in your shrimps. You want to pan fry each side for about a minute. Once the shrimps are nearly done, you can add the pasta cream. Add a little bit of pasta water if it's too thick. Mix it well, then add in the tomato sauce and gochujang sauce. For the tomato sauce, I've actually tried using salsa before and it worked just as well, so don't worry about changing the recipe slightly here. Mix the sauces well. You'll want it to be as vibrant as this before adding in your pasta. Add your pasta straight from the pot, then add a hint of chili powder for that extra kick. Make sure you give the pasta a minute or two to cook in the sauce, and then you're done. Ta-da! This yummy and simple recipe is done! It's perfect for a simple meal or even a midnight snack, and you can be very flexible with the ingredients. If you try out any other combinations, please let me know how it goes in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you want to see more recipes and food adventures from me, please do hit the subscribe button and click that bell. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you next time.